can be true at the same time. Children can exist and should be respected in public places, and children should be considerate of others in those spaces. I posted something the other day about how, yes, learning happens everywhere, but it's not okay to inconvenience other people for the sake of your lesson. And a lot of people are up in arms about that. So let's talk about it. I'm going to paint a scenario. Okay, we're going to a coffee shop to do learning. A coffee shop is a great place to go because it is known for being a place where people can work. People are chatting. There's a lot going on there. So it is an acceptable place to take our learning, whether it's hands-on lessons, workbooks, it doesn't matter. We can go there. It's also a really great way for children to practice looking at a menu, ordering for themselves, paying by themselves. All of those things are acceptable. Might it take them a little bit longer to order and pay? Yeah. Does other people need to be respectful of them doing that? Absolutely, because children have a right to be in that environment and learn in that environment. But what I mean by we cannot inconvenience other people is it is not the barista's job to be a part of your reading lesson. So if you are up at the front ordering your food and your child cannot read the menu and is struggling to sound out the words and figure out what it says, that is not the appropriate time to go line by line and do a phonics lesson and sound out the words. We're just going to read it for them and help them pick out what they want. They can order by themselves. Same thing with making money. If your child knows how to make money and make change and count out coins, great, let them pay. If your child doesn't even remember what the coins are, how much the value is, that is not the appropriate time to practice that skill. You're going to practice that at home or at your table before you go up. Right there, while you're inconveniencing the barista and everybody else in line, that is not the appropriate time for that lesson. So yes, that can happen in that environment, but you have to be considerate about other people. That barista did not sign up to be a part of your phonics or your math lesson. The people behind you, they have other things to do. Time is valuable. It's not their job or their responsibility to be patient and considerate while you do your lesson at the counter. Do it at the table where it is more appropriate. So that's what I meant by, yes, kids are learning everywhere, but we need to be considerate about other people because sometimes it's the right time and place and other times it is not. And as adults, that is an important thing for us to be teaching our kids as well. Yes, there's a time and place to slow down, to learn things, to practice things. And then there are times where we just have to make a decision and move on. And sometimes that means we need somebody else to step in and help us. Both can be true at the same time.